Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is typographical logo design. So let's make a logo which is typographic. And now, first of all, I will change this color and go for the new design. So change this color. I will use here the orange color, the pure orange color, and now it's orange. And I will change here circle color, which is stroke color, and make it orange. And I will change its stroke color, which will also be the orange. Orange. Okay. And now I will change its color to um, its color to. I will change this color as which color would be the perfect here. I will change this color as this color. This color should be the perfect here. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's nice. It's pretty nice and sorry, and also its color. I will change this color. Yes, yes. How it look like? I think it's look pretty good here. You can see it's look pretty good, and I will change the type. Graphical, sorry, graphical, typographical logo. And now I will change here. I'll fix it here, and now I'll go for the save. Here you can see save button. Click here save button, and now I will go for the export as png format, and replace it with the past. So now go for the new, and we need a new template which for the typographical logo, or else you have to take 10 into 10 inch. So I will create here 10 into 10 inch artboard. Here we got a artboard which is 10 into 10 inch. Now every typographical logo you have to take a letter. I will take here T. Sorry, I will take here T, and now I will make it 200. 200. 200 is perfect. I think 200 is perfect. Now I will change its font. We have to take a perfect font. What is? Let's see which font will be the perfect here. Mm, You can see here. Yes, its font is nice, but I will take here something new. This font also be the nice. No, I will change its color. I need mm, it's nice. It's also nice. It's nice. It's also nice. So and here you can see I need a nice tea, and what I am searching, if I got, I'll make a first start. I need a nice tea, nice tea. What is nice tea? And now I will work with it. Okay, okay, I got it. And now you can see here, I got it, and I will create an outline of it. Here, go to the type and create outline. Then I will ungroup this. Now I will make here uh, gradient. I'll make here the gradient. Um, what is here? I will make here. I will make it 50. Sorry, I will change this color. I'll make here uh, then each side should be the white, and how it look like, how it look like. Okay, first of all, I have to change the artboard color, and then you can perfectly got it. You have to take artboard and go for the arrange, send it back, and I have to lock this. Then I will work it perfectly. Now you have to understand how to design perfectly, and I will make here something new. Sorry, I made some mistake, but will be the this, and here you can see, here you can see, and I will make it as this. And now I will go for it. You can see here how it look like, and I will cut it down this portion uh, with the tip. So um, go for the, sorry, I will cut it down this portion with the shape builder tools, and now how it look like, and you can see here how it look like. You can see here how it look like, and this is the typographical logo, and you have to work on it. I will show you the more things on the next class, and be with us. I will show you more things. Thank you all.